Hey guys, Mike Dom 91 with box break 152, 11-12 Ultimate Collections. Here is your box. I'm going to turn the live camera on right now. Hold on, there we go. Hey guys. About to start here. Here's the box. Before I get the break started, I gotta show the last team that ended on eBay. You guys check this out. I'll show the website for a second. Might as well get some advertising in while I can. Pretty cool website. Obviously gonna need to upgrade though. It's kind of shitty that it's webs. Other than that, it's a pretty nice looking website. Very insightful, but not that direct. So trying to try to make my own website actually. Took a course on it with Mike, so hopefully that gets started soon. Alright, perfect. Back to the box. What am I doing here? Perfect. Okay, we'll go to Travis. Why not? Here's Dallas. Ended for 324 at 2045 EDT 745. It's 8:16 now. 7:45, does that sound right? Yeah, 5:45, sorry. That sounds better. 5:45. Yep. Okay, so let's get this on the road. I gotta show the box a little bit better. I'll do it right there. Bonjour Jimmy, comment ça va? Okay. Box you see right there. Best angle for both. And I'll get my knife ready. Here we go. Good luck to everybody. Let's hope for a doozy. Might as well open like this. Let's chuck this box away. Make room for the pack. And we're going to lift this up a bit just so I can fit my hands in here. Alright, so I'll show on YouTube and then to blog. Here we have a Carey Price base. Montreal Canadiens out of 399. Second hit. For the Philadelphia Flyers, it's Harry Zolnierczyk. Not a bad one. Not the best one. Third hit. Nice, what do we have here? For the Edmonton Oilers, Jari Kurri. Ultimate Signatures 10-11. It's a pretty nice one there for the Edmonton Oilers. Jari Kurri. 10-11, so a little bit more speed, I'd guess. And a pretty nice hit for sure. This one's really thick here, the last card. What do we got? Ooh, nice. Very nice. Out of 65 Ultimate Rookie Patches for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Matt Fratton. And that's, probably can't see it from this angle, but that patch just breaks out. Maybe from there. No. 2 out of 65. Very short printed. Nice hit for Toronto. Very nice. Alright, we'll do a quick recap on both blog and YouTube. Starting off with blog because we did YouTube first. Jari Kurri. Matt Fratton. Harry Zolnierczyk. Carey Price. Now again on YouTube. Carey Price. Zolnierczyk. Beauty Matt Fratton. And this nice looking Jari Kurri. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the break. For those of you who didn't know already, we're doing a cup case break. We have about 20 teams remaining. It looks like we're going to have to put them up on eBay if they don't sell very quickly in the next couple of days. Trying to get the word out of the case break. Probably should get another 10 teams sold by the end of the week. Cup is released on Tuesday, so it's coming up real quick. Got a couple of box breaks of the Cup already pre-listed Monday, Tuesday. Check that out. That's on our eBay page, Mike Dom 91. That's the store, and you can also check that out on our box breaking website, Mike Dom or MD91boxbreaks.webs.com. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the break. We're gonna do another one tomorrow. Panini Titanium. Here's the box. I'll show it real quick. That's tomorrow night, guys. And then the night after that, we'll be doing a couple of ultimates. Or no, one ultimate, one SBA. The next night, a couple ultimates. Monday, the Cup. Tuesday, the Cup. Alright, guys. Cheers.